Alright guys, for this test, it's fairly simple. It's not that complicated. So what you'll need is these guys. You definitely need this guy. Something to push the pins out. I use this guy. You can just use this guy. To reinstall a wheel, a 21 socket and click torque wrench, 80 foot-pounds, guys. 80 foot-pounds for safety purposes. This is what I use to take it off, but you could use whatever you have available. Use a breaker bar if necessary. Yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and get this guy off, and yeah, get those pads out and see how they look. You know, just well, I just need a visual confirmation on how my pads look. All right, so I decided to make a helpful video to help someone out there who might need it. Okay, so as you can see, this pin is not really, it's not straight enough to get it out of there. The good thing about that is at the back, the pin at the back, the head of the pin is a Phillips head. So you can just simply turn it and angle it the way, in a way that it's upright. I don't know if you guys can see it. See, now it's moving to where you want it. Put it where you want it so you can grab it easily. All right. Grab this little handy dandy guy right here, and you just simply, there you go. And one's out. And you put it in a safe place, of course. And here's the other. Let's grab this guy. All right, so those guys are out. Grab this guy. Well, I'll prefer to use this guy. Push the pin out. Push it out from here. That's one pin out. Let's grab the other. Here's the other. There's the other pin. You see? This guy just pops right out. Yeah. There you go. Now you have access to your pads. There you go. Alrighty, these are the pins. That's how it looks. See, it's a Phillips, so you can turn it to get the cotter pin out of it, right? And then you simply check your pads, or in your case, replace your pad, right? All right, mine look pretty good. Yeah, it's pretty good. All right, so that's pretty much it. Go all the way around with all your brake calipers. Do the same process, check all of them or replace all of them. Now if you want to got a little bit of a jewel to share with you guys, you know, with this particular, why it looks like this is actually the stock rotors. I just painted them, you know. I'll show you what paint I use. It's a caliper paint, but as you can see, I didn't need to paint this guy, so I, you know, utilized it on this. And up here, as you can see, and there's a few other places all along the underbody of the vehicle. I'll show you guys more on that later. But yeah, I'm gonna show you what paint I used. Hey guy, the channel mascot right there. How you doing, buddy? Alrighty. Okay, there he is. He's gone. All right, so it's the paint right here. You can find it on Amazon. Screenshot that, whatever. You know, it's pretty good. It's held up. You know, hasn't changed color on me like other paints I tried in the past. It's pretty good. Yeah, it definitely works on your caliper. Done a few other calipers on some other vehicles and it's definitely lasts. So this guy really works. You could do a little bit of red accents too, like I did here. You can actually go ahead and paint your Infiniti symbol. So you know, it's something helpful for you guys who just didn't know what kind of paint would stay on this, but you will have to, well, I didn't really have to scratch it or anything. It's just been holding, so you know, I didn't have to scratch the surface or anything like that. And you know, it's been holding pretty good and I'm happy with it. So you know, if you guys are interested, you guys can go ahead and also do that. But that's pretty much it, guys. You know, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Y'all love.